Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss miscellaneous exercise question number 7 to 11. Now our question is solve the equation and represent the solution graphically to the number line. So now our question number 7 equation is given here 5x plus 1 greater minus 24, and another equation is given 5x minus 1 less than 24. Now first solve both this equation and find out the value of x. So here plus 1 written in opposite side and change the sign. So 5x greater minus 24 minus 1. Here plus 1 is present. Now plus 1 written in opposite side. So here we can written minus 1. So therefore 5x greater minus 25. Now divide by 5. So therefore x greater minus 25 upon 5. So therefore x greater minus 5. Now in another equation 5x less than minus 1 written in opposite side and change the sign. So 24 plus 1. So therefore 5x less than 25. Now divide by this term. So therefore x less than 25 upon 5. So therefore x less than 5. Now here x greater minus 5 and x less than 5. So how can we represent it graphically? So here draw one line. Here minus infinitive portion and here infinite portion. Now position of minus 5 is present here and position of 5 is present here. Now x greater minus 5. X greater minus 5, that means minus going from shaded portion means arrow is going x greater minus 5. That means here this line draw right side to the minus 5 and x less than 5. That means 5 is present here, less that means this side. So now here line going from left side. Now which portion is common portion? So common portion is like between minus 5 to 5. So our shaded portion is between minus 5 to 5. So here represented. Here we can draw dark line between minus 5 to 5. Clear? So our answer is minus 5 to 5 and say common portion is like this. Next, okay. Once again here 5x plus 1 greater minus 24. Now plus 1 written in opposite side. So 5x greater minus 24 minus 1. Now 5x greater minus 25. X greater minus 25 divided by 5. So here we get the value of x greater minus 5. Now another equation is present 5x minus 1 less than 25. Minus 1 written in opposite side. So here written plus 1. 5x less than 25. Now divide by 5. So x less than 25 divided by 5. So x less than 5. Now x greater minus 5. Greater, that means this line going from right side, and x less than 5, that means this line going from left side. Now common portion is between minus 5 to 5. So our shaded portion is between minus 5 to 5. Clear? Next question. Question number 8. 2 into bracket x minus 1 less than x plus 5, 3 into bracket x plus 2 greater 2 minus x. So again here equation is present, here two equation is present. Now solve both these equation, convert into the form of x, and after represent in number line. So first of all here open this bracket, so 2x minus 2 less than x plus 5. Now x term written one side and remaining term written in another side. So therefore 2x minus x less than 5 plus 2. Therefore 2x minus x, that means x less than 7. Same way here open this bracket, so 3x plus 6 greater 2 minus x, x term written one side and remaining term written in another side. So 3x plus x greater 2 minus 6. So 4x greater minus 4. Now divide by these terms, so x greater minus 1. Now here represent in number line. So how can be represented? So again same method apply. Here written minus infinitive and here written infinite form. Now minus 1 written here, position of minus 1, and position of 7 written here. Now strictly greater form, that means here we can written whole form. Same way here we can written whole. Now x less than 7, that means this arrow is going left side, and x greater minus 1, that means this arrow is going right side. So common portion is between minus 1 to 7. So our shaded portion is like this portion. Clear? So again here simplify this equation, 2x minus 2 less than x plus 5, 2x minus x less than 5 plus 2. So here x less than 7. Same way in another equation, 3x plus 6 greater 2 minus x, 3x plus x greater 2 minus 6, 4x greater minus 4, x greater minus 1. Now after represent in number line, so like this way. Clear? Question number 9. 3x minus 7 greater 2 into bracket x minus 6, and another equation 6 minus x greater 11 minus 2x. So again same method apply. Here open this bracket, so 3x minus 7 greater 2 into x, that means 2x minus 6 to the 12. Now x term written one side and remaining term written another side. So therefore 3x minus 2x greater minus 2 plus 7. 3x minus 2x, that means x greater minus 5. Now in another equation again minus 2x written in this side. So therefore minus x plus 2x greater 11 minus 6, 2x minus x, that means x greater 5. Okay. Now here one equation x greater minus 5, another equation x greater 5. So which portion is common portion in both these equations? So understand in number line. in here we can written minus infinite form, here written infinitive form. Minus 5 position is we can represent here. Now here strictly greater than, so written here open form, open circle in minus 5, and here 5 is present, so here we can draw heart. Okay, now in this question both this arrow is going from right side, so which portion is common portion? So here minus 5 is present. Now here arrow is going from this side, 5 is also arrow going from this side, so common portion is like this portion. So our shaded portion we can represent it like this way. Okay, so here we can draw dark line, and our answer is written for this. So again here equation is present, so solve this equation. 3x minus 7 greater 2x minus 12. Now 3x minus 2x greater minus 12 plus 7. Simplify this term. So here we can written x greater minus 5. Now in another equation 6 minus x greater 11 minus 2x. So minus x plus 2x greater 11 minus 6, x greater 5. Now here in both this equation arrow is going from right side, means infinite form, but which portion is common portion? So common portion is like this portion, so our answer is this one. Next question, question number 10. Question number 10. 5 into bracket 2x minus 7 minus 3 into bracket 2x plus 3 less than equal to 0, and another equation is given here, 2x plus 19 less than equal to 6x plus 47. So again here same method apply. First of all open this bracket, so therefore 5 to the 10x minus 7 5 the 35 minus 6x minus 9 less than equal to 0. 10x minus 6x, that means 4x, minus 35 minus 9, that means here we can written minus 45 less than equal to 0. Minus 44 less than equal to 0. Now minus 44 written in opposite side, so therefore 4x less than equal to 44. Now divide by this term, so x less than equal to 11. Now in second equation 2x minus 6x less than equal to 47 minus 19. 2x minus 6x, that means minus 4x less than equal to 47 minus 19, that means here we get 28. Now here remove this minus sign, here outside variable x is present and outside minus sign is present, remove this minus sign, so both the side multiply minus, so therefore 4x greater than equal to minus 28. Now divide by this term, so x greater than equal to minus 7. Now after represent in number line, so here draw one number line. Here minus infinity and here infinite form is present. Minus 7, that means position is here, Here we can written dark point, here also we can written 11 dark point. Now minus 7 arrow is going from this side and 11 arrow going from this side. So common portion is between minus 7 to 11. So our shaded portion is like minus 7 to 11. So once again here equation is present. So 5 to the 10x minus 35 minus 6x minus 9 less than equal to 0. Now x term written one side, remaining term written another side. So 4x less than equal to 44, x less than equal to 11. Same way in another equation 2x plus 19 less than equal to 6x plus 47. X term written one side and constant term written another side. So 2x minus 6x, that means minus 4x less than equal to 28. Now remove this minus sign, so both the side multiply minus sign. So here x greater than equal to, divided by this term, so x greater than equal to minus 7. Now here we can, in number line, here we can written represented minus 7, here we can written 11. Now minus 7 arrow is going from right side and 11 arrow is going from left side. So common portion is between minus 7 to 11. So our answer is, here we can draw dark portion, and our answer is like this. Clear?